Hey, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two stellar drones, the Holystone HS440 and the TOMZON P5G. On the left, we have the sleek and mighty Holystone HS440, and on the right, the high-tech TOMZON P5G. Which one will soar higher in your hearts and wallets? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the camera quality. The Holystone HS440 is packing a 1080 PhD camera with a 90 degrees auto-adjustable lens. It's perfect for capturing those Instagram-worthy shots of your neighbor's dog. Reviewers mention that the camera quality, while decent for the price, can be a bit choppy. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G flexes with a 4K UHD camera, also adjustable by 90 degrees, and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. That's right, folks, 4K. According to user reviews, the TOMZON P5G's camera captures impressively clear images and videos, making it a standout feature. So if you're all about that ultra-clear resolution, TOMZON P5G takes this round. Next up, flight time. The Holystone HS440 boasts an impressive 20 minutes in the air. That's enough time to film a short movie or, more realistically, follow your cat around the block. Reviewers appreciate the decent battery life, but mention the 3-hour charging time as a downside. TOMZON P5G offers a whopping 36 minutes of flight time with its dual batteries. Reviewers praise its extended flight time, making it ideal for longer sessions. So for those marathon flights, TOMZON P5G is your go-to. Now, let's talk about how easy these bad boys are to fly. The Holystone HS440 is designed with beginners in mind. It features automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and fun tricks like one-key high-speed rotation. Reviewers find it easy to learn and fun to fly, though it struggles in the wind. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G comes with a high-precision GPS system, auto-return, and a follow-me mode. According to reviews, its GPS features make it reliable and user-friendly, even for beginners. So whether you're a newbie or just lazy, both drones have you covered. But with those extra GPS features, TOMZON P5G edges ahead slightly. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Price. The Holystone HS440 comes in at a budget-friendly $129. It's like the economy class of drones, great value without the frills. Reviewers appreciate its affordability and durability, making it a great entry-level option. TOMZON P5G, however, asks for a bit more dough at $159. But hey, you're getting a 4K camera and longer flight time. Reviewers feel it's worth the extra cost for the added features. So if you're ballin' on a budget, Holystone HS440 is your pick. But if you can spare the extra cash, TOMZON P5G offers more bang for your buck. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. The Holystone HS440 is praised for its durability, ease of use, and fun flying experience, though it has some issues with wind stability and motor durability. The TOMZON P5G is lauded for its impressive camera quality, extended flight time, and user-friendly GPS features, though some users experienced connectivity issues. So there you have it, folks. Both the Holystone HS440 and TOMZON P5G are incredible drones with their own unique perks. If you're looking for affordability and simplicity, the Holystone HS440 is your wingman. But if you crave advanced features and that crisp 4K footage, the TOMZON P5G is the sky-high winner. Which drone are you leaning towards? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.